Yes, good morning. Today we are going to perform experiment number 6. In the list, experiment number 6 is to estimate the strength of strong acid conductometrically using N by 10 NaOH apparatus solutions required. Conductivity meter, conductivity cell and N by 10 NaOH solution. This is also a type of acid-base titration in which we do not use indicator. Here the completion of reaction or equivalence point is obtained by measuring the conductance of the solution on a conductivity meter. Here, as we know that if we take an acidic or basic solution and measure its conductivity will be higher due to the presence of free H plus ions in acids or free OH minus ions in base. As in these solutions, acids or base are added, neutralization reaction occurs, and as a result of neutralization reaction, the amount of free H plus ions or OH minus ions goes on decreasing. And you know that these H plus ions or OH minus ions which are free into the solution, they are responsible for the conductivity of the solution. So with the decrease in the concentration of free H plus ions or free OH minus ions, the conductivity of the solution will go on decreasing and it will be reaching to a certain minima, and after further addition of acid or base after the equivalence point, again the conductivity will be rising with the increase in the concentration of free H plus or OH minus ions. Here we are determining the concentration of an unknown acid by titrating it against standard sodium hydroxide solution. So here the conductivity in the solution will be, in the acidic solution will be due to the presence of free H plus ions, and as soon as OH minus ions from the burette will be added into this solution, the conductivity of the solution will go on decreasing. So this is actually the theory of this process, and now let us start the experiment. And before starting the experiment, I can show you that this is the conductivity meter and this is the conductivity cell, and this conductivity cell is dipped into that solution for which we are determining the conductivity. So for doing the experiment, to determine the concentration of unknown HCl by titrating it against N by 10 standard sodium hydroxide solution, firstly 25 ml of HCl solution will be measured into the 100 ml beaker, and that beaker will be kept under the conductivity cell. Now firstly wash the conductivity cell by distilled water and then dry it using filter paper. Now dip this conductivity cell into the HCl solution and directly read the conductivity of the solution before adding any amount of NaOH from the burette.
18.5.
So here at zero volume addition of NaOH, the conductivity of the solution is
18.5.
18.5. Now we will add 2 ml of N by 10 NaOH from the burette. Shake the solution well and now dip the conductivity cell into this solution and read the conductivity of solution. .8. Now at 4.0 the conductivity becomes 17.2, and similarly we keep on adding 2 ml of NaOH from the burette, and after every addition we will determine the conductivity of the solution. You will see that the conductivity is decreasing every time with the addition of NaOH. Again the reason is same. The free H plus ions in the solution are being neutralized by OH minus ions which are being added from the burette. So note down the volume of NaOH and conductivity of the solution, and by these readings we will again make a curve between the conductivity of the solution and volume of NaOH added. You will see the trend is a decrease in conductivity up to a certain minimum value, which will mark the equivalence point or end point of the solution. This is the volume of NaOH consumed at the equivalence point. Say this is equal to Vml. By this we will make our calculation to find out the normality of given HCl solution. HCl, NaOH, normality is unknown, volume is 25 ml, its normality N2 is 1 by 10 and volume consumed V2 is Vml. So using equation N1 V1 equals to N2 V2, N into 25 equals to 1 by 10 into V. So N will be equal to 1 upon 250 into V. There are various type of curves for different titrations, like titration of an unknown weak acid with strong base or titration of an unknown weak base with strong acid. All have different type of curves which will be sent to you. Thank you.